Good morning, everyone. Today we'll do continuing Siman Reish Mem Zayin Seif Hey and Vov. אם אינו יהודי הולך מעצמו למקום אחר וישראל נותן לו איגרת, מותר בכל גבנה. We're talking about that the Goy goes anyhow, the Gentile goes anyhow to that area. And what? And the Jewish person gives him a package or mail or whatever it is, and he tells him, go give it over there to X, to some ploy, somebody. So the din is what? You're allowed to do it. B'chol gavna. But over here, because why? That's considered like he made a price, because he goes there anyhow, even though he doesn't pay him any money. Yeah? But it's two conditions. First, that he could get it before Shabbos, so that it doesn't look like he does it for him, for the Jewish person. Second of all, that the Gentile is not adding into his shlichus, means his carrying. It means to say that it's in the area, because otherwise, if he has to go out of his way in order to give it to the message, the letter, whatever it is, the package, so then it looks like it does it for the Jewish person, so then it's forbidden. Now, what happened if you're allowed to give a letter to a Gentile in Shabbos? Yeah? That was, it's forbidden to give a letter in Shabbos to a Gentile. Yeah? Even the Gentile goes anyhow to that place. Yeah? And even if the Jewish people made a set price to send that letter, said the Brurah, what? It's forbidden. What about sending to give a letter to the post office? You call it a patch. I don't know why that's like a post office. So there it depends. Mi keradin, it's forbidden to give any mail in Shabbos. Yeah? Even a place that you have an able. And even what? Even by a Gentile is also forbidden. And it doesn't help that he gives them a set price, like you have a stamp, whatever it is. Because it looks like it's not appropriate, it's maritz ayin, it's not appropriate for Shabbos. It looks like it does for the, it's never mechor. But the mokum hefsed godel, when it's a big loss, in a case like that, we mati why? Because anyhow the eruv is the rabbono, and Amir Legoy is also Shvut. The Shvut is Shvus. That comes out that it's muto. What happens if there's no hefset, when there's no loss? Yeah? So then for sure you should be machmir in Erev Shabbos, you not to give the letter in order to give it in Shabbos, the post office, even if he made a special price. Why? Because it looks like he tells the Gentile to do the work for him. What happens if I give an Erev Shabbos? Yeah? So then, for sure, you could give it to the post office. Yeah, why? Because it's considered like he made a special price, and everybody that gets it, he has to pay. And that's what we said that it's allowed. Okay, now we're going to do halacha vov. Mi sheyesh lo sachir eno Yehudi leshana or leyoter. If you have someone that works for him a full year or more than that, yeah, asur l'shelcho erev Shabbat b'igeret. It's forbidden to give him a letter in erev Shabbos. Okay. Says the Ramo, Hagoy, miu im lo sacho rak l'shlichut igeret. If you only rented it one time for this to send him the letter, yesh matirim k'mo shubberle v'simen reish mem dal. So comes out like that. If you rented him for the full year, yeah, so the din is what? Or let's say rent it for other jobs. It's forbidden to give him a letter in Erev Shabbos. Why? Because it's not, since you rented him for the full year, it's not considered like he made a set price. Since it's not considered that he made a set price, that's why it's not, it's forbidden to send the letter. But if that's in Erev Shabbos. But if it's in the rest of the days of the week, then for sure you can do it. There's no problem. That's what comes out according to the Mechaba and the Brurah. what happened if you just send that just for that letter? So then, yesh matin. Why? Because that can like you made a set price, then it makes a mutter. But there's only one condition: you're not allowed to tell him to go do the letter, to give the letter in Shabbos. Another in general, when he rents it for the full, a lot of jobs. So even if the reason what's the reason to be aser, because the guy is going to be afraid that it's going to take away from the price, even though he knows he's not allowed to work in Shabbos. But the Jewish person knows that he's not allowed to work in Shabbos. But the Gentile in his head, he feels if he works in Shabbos, he's not in a kilo, it's going to take a little bit from his price, from his salary. Like if he doesn't work, he'll take away from the salary, even though it's not true. But that's the svore to be asked. That's a real one. It's a hefzer merubah, which is a big loss. We matir to what to use the Gentile to send it because adaita the nafshik ovid, and he made it a set price. I want to wish everyone a good day today.